Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng simple eye makeup look. And let's start it by putting some moisturizer. Ang gamit ko po dito is Whitening Vita by Eye White Korea. And then nilagyan ko siya ng konting powder. Manipis lang para mag-set. And then next nito is primer, kaso nakalimutan ko maglagay. So let's move on to foundation. Ang gamit ko dito ng foundation is Maybelline Super Stay in the shade of Natural Beige. So mag-add tayo ng isa pang pump para makuha natin yung coverage na gusto natin. And then blend it well using your blending sponge. Next is concealer. So, ang gamit ko po dito is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade of light. Then, lagyan natin ng concealer yung mga gusto nating takpan. Yung mga chismis. Yan. And then, blend po natin siya using our fingers. You can use your beauty blender or your brushes, but mas prefer ko pong gamitin yung fingers ko to blend for better coverage. And then lagyan natin siya ng powder, yung part na may concealer. Huwag po tayo magbe-bake kasi hindi po siya advisable kasi mas may tendency siya na mag-cake. Next is our eyebrows. So tip lang po, pag gagamit tayo ng angled brush, i-pinch natin siya para mas mag-flatten and mas precise yung ating paggawa ng kilay. Yan. So, tingnan nyo, nipis. And then, outline lang natin siya. And then, i-fill in natin yung gaps starting sa dulo ng ating kilay papunta sa ating base para magkaroon tayo ng faded effect. And then, don't forget to brush your eyebrows para hindi mamuo yung product. Then, next is, linisin natin siya ng concealer para mas on flick yung ating kilay. And then, nilagyan ko siya ng eyebrow mascara. Gamit ko po dito is Nichido. Ang shade niya po is brunette. Moving on to our eyeshadow, ang gamit ko po ditong transition shade is light pink and i-blend lang natin siya using small circular motions using a petite blending brush. Then kumuha po ako ng medium brown para malagyan ng warmth yung ating eyelids. Then, nilagay ko po siya dun sa medyo taas ng crease. And then, kumuha po ako ng deep brown. Nilagay ko po sa outer V. And then, blend it well using small circular motions. Then, ipasok nyo po siya doon yan. Sa inner part ng eye. Paunti-unti. And then, for the shimmer, yan, try natin yung bronze. Ayan, hinaluan ko siya niyang, yan, bronze. And then, yung para siyang brown na may gold glitters. Ayan, tapos lagyan natin siya sa eyelids natin using patting motions. Ayan, pat, pat, pat. And then, blend lang natin yung edges para wala siyang harsh lines. Moving on to our lower lash line, don't forget to smoke your lower lash line. And then, syempre, i-blend natin siya ng maigi. So, nilagay ko lang po dyan yung nakalagay din po dun sa ating eyelids. Yan lang din po yung nilagay ko dyan. 2 colors. Yung medium brown tsaka yung medyo dark na brown. Next is Tightline. So, gamit ko po dito is Everbelena. Medyo matigas lang siya. Mahirap siyang i-kulay dun sa mata. Next is Eyelashes. So, curl muna natin ang ating natural eyelashes. And then, lagyan natin siya ng mascara. Gamit ko dito is All Weather Mascara by Miniso. Lagyan natin siya ng falsies. Ang gamit ko dito is Dingsen 3D66. Syempre, ang contour. Yan. Lagay muna tayo ng bronzer para mabalik natin yung warmth ng ating face. And then, nilagyan ko siya ng contour para magkaroon tayo ng shape. Magkaroon ng dimensions yung ating face. Next is nose line. Yan, hindi na natin kailangan magpa-surgery kasi mas madali ito. Hindi pa masakit. Blend lang natin ng maigi. Ayan, next is highlights. So, lagyan natin ng highlights yung highest point, which is, yan, yung brow bone, yung nose bridge natin, yung tear duct, and yung cupid's bow. And blush, para mukha tayong sinampal. Char! Siyempre, para magmukha tayong in love. Pak, rosy cheeks. Next is lips. Ang gamit ko dito is Maybelline. Shade is Nude Nuance. Yan. Ganda kung gusto mong matte, yan. Gusto mo naman may lip gloss. Yan. Para mas plump yung lips. And then, set it all with the setting spray and you're all done. And that's it with our simple eye makeup tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos. Bye!